Problem 25. Two 4x4 squares intersect at right angles. Bisecting their intersecting sides. A circle's diameter is the segment between the two intersection points. What is the area of the shaded region left when the circle is removed from the squares? The choices are 16 minus 4 pi, 16 minus 2 pi, 28 minus 4 pi, 28 minus 2 pi, and 32 minus 2 pi. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Combine the two squares, subtracting their overlap. The circle has diameter 2 square root 2, so radius square root 2. Shaded equals squares minus circle. So the shaded area is 28 minus 2 pi, choice D.